waiting for the workers upstairs to stop throwing debris so we can get through upstairs the building next door and out through the roof of the collapsed building, downstairs through the other building next door to that, and then make it safely out.
That's the next door, right? That building, that's the next door.
Yeah, that's the second floor of the other building. The collapsed building.
The triangle.
Well, basically what's going on, this is a building supporting the pressure from next one. And this stability of this building is really important. If this building moves, whole thing collapses into it.
We just went across the next door building through the rubble, and now we're actually inside the building that collapsed. We're on the first floor that, as you can see, has been reinforced with these beams. It's a devastating and scary and still fragile scene here.
That's caused the pressure. So this is the classic, essentially out of plane failure. This wall can pop out any minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lateral line and also show this one, because this is a bearing wall too. So if the bearing will come up to it, it's going to pop out.
We thought we could get out through this backside, but it's been filled with rubble, so we're just going to go around the same, behind the building, through the rubble, the same area that we came in.